Hello guys, and welcome to another ProfileTree Wix YouTube tutorial. So today I'm going to be going through how to add and customize a Wix login and sign up form. So yeah, we'll go ahead and get started. So as you can see in front of us, we've just got a blank canvas to start off for our login. So we'll get stuck into this. So as you can see here on the left side, you've got your bar, or your little bar for all the tools you can use, and what we want to do is we want to add elements, and want to search for login. So do note as well that if you are going to be doing this, you're going to need a members page area, so as we just seen there. So if we click on this, to add a login bar to your site, first add the members area up. So we'll go ahead and show you how to do that. But that is one way to find the login bar. So we'll go ahead and exit off that, and we'll come back to that. So if you scroll down here, either to My Business or Add Apps, but I'm going to show you My Business first. So you'll be able to find the apps. You also have a link to the app market here as well. So these are a list of the different apps that would be default to Wix if you add them in, as you can see. So we've got the following, which is the Wix stores, Wix bookings, blog, events and tickets, pricing plans, form, Wix restaurant orders, groups, forms and payments, online programs, and which is what we need is the members area. But of course you've got the other ones here as well. So we'll go ahead and click on that. Oh, actually, well, I'll show you the other method as well. So you've got it here, or if you don't have it here, you could just exit off that and click on Add Apps. Wait for that to load. Okay, and just simply type in Wix members. If I can spell that right. Members. There you go. So you'll see it here, or if you don't find it, just see for more results, and you'll find it there. And what's great about this as well is that this is a free add-on to the site, so you don't actually have to pay for it, as it states. And there's the list of different things you can do with it as well. As it says there, you can have a personal profile. You can have members you can show, or as what we're trying to do is customize the profile. So that's just a quick preview of what you could do with it. So we'll go ahead and click on add to site. So while that loads in, we'll just wait for it there. So while that loads in, just letting you guys know as well. So if you ever do decide that you want to add this profile into this, with the other apps here, for the blog, it's an option where you can add members to it, so they're going to be able to comment to you as well. But if you're having a store, it already builds it in for you. I think the same applies as well for the Wix bookings, so that's just something to note. So now that's loaded in, as you can see, we've got my profile here, which is ProfileTree support, and we've also got a login bar on the top right. So if I go ahead and just preview this straight away and just have a look at it, just check it out. We'll actually just go back here, and if I just go to another page, a home page, you could still see it's there. So it's pinned to the actual site itself. So if I click on this, and if I, okay, well I actually have to, so I'll make this a published site. Hold on, give me a second there. Okay. So we'll see it from the published site. So as you can see here, okay. we've got our login bar. So if we click on that, it'll give us a default light box almost sort of type thing. So as you can see, this is a light box, so it gives you a pop-up of the screen and it asks you sign up, and if you're already a member, log in, and you could do so by Facebook, Google, or with an email. So if you wanted to customize that, make it your own, we'll simply just go back to the editor. So I want to click on that. Oh, as well as this, you can click on this. So since that was color blue, you can change the design of this as well. So say I wanted to change that to color red, and I could do so, and then have the login bar 100%, or so that's opacity. And then when there's a list of different options there, where if you're hovering over it, it goes blue. So if we go ahead and save that, which it's done, okay, and then we'll go back to here and then refresh this. This should give us a change in color. Okay, publish that now. Okay, view site. Yeah, so we'll try that again. So if you click on design and click on text, so as you can see, it's color blue. So if I change that to color yellow or red, or let's say we'll do something odd. Where's the pink color? Is that close enough to pink? Just go for this color. There you go. So if you got that color going on, right, and then you hit save, which we've done so, and then we'll go ahead and publish that site, and we'll go ahead and view that site. As you can see, the color has changed, the text color. So now, so I'm happy enough with that. Got the fill color to red. Got this, we'll change that back to red as well. So yeah, that's one way you can customize the login as well. And there's also like different layouts where you can increase or decrease the avatar size, as you can see. And then you can have that if you wanted to. Align it if you want, for down here. So yeah, that's one way you can sort of customize this part a wee bit for your members login. So now what we want to do is customize that part. So the way to do that is, if you click on here, go ahead and manage these pages, and we'll click on sign up and login. And as you can see, you see default, right? So what we want to do is click on the sign up form. Want to change that to a custom form. We'll go ahead and add that to the site, and it should give you the light box as we've seen earlier on. Now, just before I get ahead of myself as well, if I go back and change this to default form, okay, so we've got a default form there. If I go ahead and change the site design, so let's just say that, let's see, can I change my text? Yes, I can. So I'll go ahead and change the text, and we'll go for something a little bit different. So instead of that, we'll go for this. Okay. So if we remembered what the font was before, which is the Helvetica bold, it'll change to Comforta regular, hopefully. So we'll go ahead and go to publish. Okay, we'll go ahead and view that site, and we'll go ahead and click login. So depending on, it just depends on what size that is. So especially if you're, let's just say we changed all of them. Okay, so we've gone ahead and changed these all just to be sure that it will change. Okay, so go ahead and publish. We'll go ahead and preview the live site. Click on login. As you can see, like that part's changed as well. So if we click on this, our signup's changed. So we'll go back and we'll now start doing the customization. So menus and pages, sign up and login. Go ahead and change from default to custom form. And then now what we want to do is we want to edit that custom sign up form. As you can see, we're here now. There you go. And from this as well, you'll be able to go ahead and change the text if you want to, change the layout. There's a list of different things you can do with this. As you can see, there's different designs. So if, say, I want to just design the whole thing, I can go ahead and click on that and just click on layout. I could choose how I want to have my layout, as you can see. Or I can change it so that it has a little bit of animation. I can change the design of the form if I wanted to. So, of course, once this is all done and you're happy enough, you can just go ahead and click on publish. And you can view that site. So now once we've logged in, you can click on that and it'll show me my new sign up form. And this time it's just a login to the actual site itself without having Facebook or Instagram or your personal email. You'll actually have to be like, you know, clicking for a member and all this as well, as you can see. So yeah, let's see. You can also do the same thing for the, let's just go to manage pages, the login form, which we were on earlier on. So you could just click on that, custom form, add to site. Obviously you'll get a custom form from there as well. And as you can see, it's got the same thing. So let's see, if I wanted to add more elements to it, I can, or I can give it like an animation if I want to as well. Oh, didn't mean, there you go. So that'll be like the login page for it as well. So yes, if you guys have any questions at all about this video, just leave them down in the comment section below. And yeah, I'll see you for the next one there. Thank you very much.